Hello boss, this is our 14 feet expandable container house. And this place is a deck. Here we place a swing. Inside the container, first we can see a living room. Here we place a sofa, a table, and a TV. We go inside, we can see a kitchen area and a kitchen cabinet with a water basin. And here we placed a fridge. And this place, there is a table and the chairs. You can have meals here. Next to the kitchen area, there is a bathroom. We can see dry and wet areas here. This side, there are 2 bedrooms. Boss, if you want it, just cut us.